My name is Reginald Dunlap. I own Reginald Dunlap Interior Design, and I'm the founder and principal interior designer. I've done the home show now for 2 years. This is my fourth booth, fourth vignette. I like the home show because it affords me the ability to be one-on-one with the public and really get feedback on my design. It's another place where I can actually have one-on-one conversations with thoughts, and they can ask me the process for design. So it gives me time to kind of really absorb what they're saying and then go back to the drawing board and see what works and what doesn't work for me. I think high-end clients it's a benefit for them to come to the show. It allows them to see designers like me who work with their demographic. It also allows them to see product that they may not see otherwise. Home shows are a place where you can kind of get vision for a lot of different things. If you're not really specific or sure about what you want for your home, it shows you ideas that you need. This vignette was designed for Jen and Joanna, NBC6 in the Mix. They have two completely different styles. One's more farm, one's more ethnic chic. So I tried to combine the two. They're very yin and yang. One's probably more contemporary than the other. So combining the two was something that I really had to really kind of focus on. And I think I did a pretty good job at it. They enjoyed it. Working for a local celebrity team like as them kind of gives me an idea to create something that's more local instead of something that's more global. My business has changed by coming to the home show because it's allowed me to have more local clients who would not know me otherwise. As a designer, I typically have like trade vendors. So it's actually nice here at the home show to see vendors that I normally use inside the design world. I see them here. So for like doors, fireplaces, flooring. So it shows me a different grouping of vendors that I wouldn't normally see, or that I actually use already, to see the product live and for the public to see the public product as well. The home show for me as a designer allows me to design something that's outside of the box, that truly is a creative part of my mind that I don't get to do with a standard client. Clients can put you in a box and you have to design within their parameters. This allows me to kind of do whatever I want to do for a client who says, do what makes you happy and what you think is going to look good for us. So I have there's no box here, so I can design the most creative thing in my mind and bring it to life, which is a rare thing in design.